Hello everyone. I am Long. Welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate two latest updates. Although it is just a small function, but it is really quite practical. The first is the addition of linking Microsoft and Google network drives from now on. What benefits will this bring? In the past, we had to analyze data like this by pulling files from the local end to this place for analysis. Often you may download your data from the cloud drive to the local drive. Then throw the local on top again. This approach is very troublesome. Simply unnecessary. Now you can directly connect to your Google Drive and Microsoft's. Directly select what you want to analyze on this network hard drive. Here you have two places to set up. One is the file icon in the bottom left corner of this screen. Here, there are two new connections to Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive here. Can make choices. Click it to login. Another setting is in the icon in the upper right corner. Here there is a setting. In here there is a newly added application to connect. Here you can also click to connect. Let's start from the bottom left corner here, okay? When you connect to Google Drive, it will prompt you to choose an account and give you an authorized certification. After that is completed, then a menu like this will pop out for you. You can choose your data to analyze in there. Okay, let's randomly pick a data in. So I choose this demo folder. We previously implemented this Taipei real estate analysis Excel file, which is over 20 megabytes. I go directly here to double-click and you will find it's pharma. It will load directly into your window here. Then He goes to do a basic analysis. He helped me with data analysis. Okay, then, the second minor update I need to mention. Everyone should have noticed that. It will display a portion of the dataset directly from this Excel. Then you can click here to enlarge and expand this table. Okay, then you'll find on the right side. You can still take your prompts. Oh, you can compare both sides in real time. Go do a comparison. Then you can give another command here. Please analyze by grouping according to this town or district. Okay, after you see the analysis is completed here. Here on the left side, it has helped you to group already. What about this table here? You will find Zhongshan District, Zhongjing District, Xinyi District here and more. Everything includes the total land transfer area and the total sum of area. Balcony area, number of trading floors, total price of parking spaces. Here, it does it all for you. Organized. Then there is the additional new part. It's below the entire screen. It will give you some instructions for the next steps you might want. There's a chart showing the number of transactions in each township, or what, provides the average building area of each town. So if you don't have any ideas, you can also click directly on it. Let's demonstrate this here. Directly click on drawing a chart of the number of transactions in each town area. Oh, then you can actively interact on both sides. It's more convenient. Unlike before where you had to scroll up and down to see the results. So this side directly on the left side came out. When you hover over it with the mouse, there will also be such an interactive effect. Numbers will be displayed. Where are these dynamic presentations seen before? It's all unattainable. Right now it's very convenient. Including this side. You can collapse it back to download the static image. And also, do some color adjustments. For example, I'll adjust the color here. Oh, what about this left side? We'll make this change immediately. Okay, you can also just give a command. Please change it to this. Yuan Bingyu. Okay, the pie chart will be ready soon. It can be presented immediately. Then where did you spend it? The percentage will appear here. Oh, it's very convenient. What about here? You can also go in. Go adjust your colors a bit. You can highlight something like if it's Zhongshan District that you may want to especially highlight. Then you can turn it into red. For the other parts you don't want to highlight, then you can change it to a more common color. Or we can change all to this blue color. Then all parts will become this. The green part. Then you can do some small settings. It allows you to this chart. Will be more targeted. You can adjust it according to your preferences. What about after I adjust it like this? In terms of visualization, its effect will be very significant. Let's take a look. Oh, this is a bit much. Ah, do you think this is a different style? Just focus on the area you want to see. Okay, what about here? You can switch to a static chart. And here? Everyone can also use the method I taught last time. This part of Chinese characters garbled. It will then obtain this solution. Okay, very convenient. Then you can download this missing image. Download it. It is a PNG image file. Isn't it very convenient? Oh, so with this 1.1, you can switch back to the original screen here. Oh, then click again. Then go back to this window that can be operated left and right. Okay, very convenient. Then what? Mention it again. If your network hard drive disconnects. What about you? You can go back to your icon. There is a setting inside, still connected. There's a terminal link in the application here. What's next? Your link will disappear. If you want to collect again next time, you need to click again. Go ahead and proceed with this connection action. Above are the 2 latest and quite practical updates that we want to bring to you today. Hope everyone can try it out themselves. And remember to give me a like. And share. See you next time.